Welcome to my channel. This time I will build a small portable key holder with 4 hooks. I'm building this from a piece of oak shelf that I had lying around. I start by cutting 2 pieces to a width of 9 centimeters. Then I cut the length of the pieces to 20 centimeters. On the short side of one piece, I measure and make marks 2.5 centimeters from both long sides. Then I cut from the marks to the corners where the long side and short side meet at the other end of the piece. Now I have a symmetrical cone-shaped piece that is 9 centimeters wide at one end and 4 centimeters wide at the other end. I drill a 25 centimeter hole that is about 1.3 centimeters deep on the narrow side of the piece that is cone-shaped. I cut a round stick that is approximately 26 centimeters in diameter to a length of 19.5 centimeters. Then I drill 4 8mm holes in the stick. The distance between the holes is 5 centimeters. I had an 8mm stainless steel round bar lying around. I cut 4 pieces of the round bar that are 5 centimeters long. After a little polishing, the steel pieces have a shiny surface. Now I mount the round steel pins in the holes on the 19.5 centimeter long round stick. I poured a little glue into the holes before a hammer in the steel pins. Time to attach the cone-shaped piece to the bottom plate. I secure the piece with a clamp before drilling holes for the screws that will hold the piece in place. Then I apply some glue and screw the piece in place with 2 screws from the underside of the bottom plate. Time to attach the round stick to the hole I drilled in the cone-shaped piece. I put some glue in the hole and secure the round stick with a clamp. I adjust the clamp until the round stick sits perfectly straight in the hole. The glue has dried and the key holder is now ready for varnish. I apply 2 coats of epoxy varnish and sand lightly between each coat. This is the finished result.